Let's see how that looks. Okay, so being the stupid person that I am, I had to upload this. Or at least even record it, at least. Bella. What am I doing? Oh my god. Really? Let's watch this.